Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math School Learn to Succeed. In this channel, I'll be teaching you Karnataka Board Class 10th SLC Insert Math. In this video, let us solve the example number 16 from chapter number 1 Arithmetic Progressions. Before we begin the video, please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos. So example number 16 from chapter number 1 Arithmetic Progression says a manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in third year and 700 sets in the 7th year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, we have to find out the production in the first year, the production in the 10th year, and the total production in the first 7 years. There is a manufacturer who produces TV sets. So in the third year, he produced 100 TV sets and 700 sets in the 7th year. He says that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, and we have to find out the production of the first year, then the 10th year, and the total production in the 7 years. Here, if you notice, he's saying the question that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. So from this statement, we get a clear picture that number of the TV sets every year increases by a fixed number, therefore it forms an AP. So if it forms an AP, then we can use our formulas to find out the questions given here. So let us write down, given the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, the number of TV sets, therefore the number of TV sets manufactured in first, second and third year forms an AP. So let us now denote the number of TV sets manufactured in the n years is given by AN. Okay, the number of TV sets manufactured in nth year be AN. Therefore, from the question they are telling us the number of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year. Therefore, we can write n value equal to 3. So in the third year A3, they produce 600 TV sets and 700 sets in the 7th year. Therefore, when we put n is equal to 7, we get A7 equal to 700 TV sets. Now what is A3 value from our general form of an AP? The general form of an AP is given by already know, that is A is the first term, second term will be A plus D, third term will be A plus 2D, and the fourth term will be A plus 3D, and so on. So the third term A3 is given by A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Therefore we can write A plus 2D is equal to 600, and also the seventh term is given by A plus 6D. Okay, A7 is equal to A plus 6D, or 700 is equal to A plus 60. Now we can denote this equation as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now let us apply elimination method to equation 1 and 2 and find out the A and D value. Therefore, applying elimination method to equations 1 and 2 to find A and D. Therefore, we write 600 is equal to A plus 2D and 700 is equal to A plus 60. Now after changing the signs, the one equation, so plus, this is also plus, changing the sign, this will become minus. So we can observe that the coefficient of A is 1. So plus and minus, we can cancel out this term. Then again plus and minus. So higher number sign will come here. So 6 minus 2 is 4D. And here it will be again minus, because minus 700 is there. So 600 minus 700 is minus 100, or minus and minus will get cancelled, or D is equal to 100 by 4, or we get D is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are, or 2 1s are 25, or D we will get as 25. Now let us substitute this D value in equation 1 and find out the A value. So equation 1 is A plus 2D is equal to 600. A is plus 2 into 25 is equal to 600, or it is A plus 50 is equal to 600. When we transfer this 50 to the right hand side, we will get A is equal to 600 minus 50, or A value will be 550. Okay, so we got a D value as 25 and A value as 550. So coming to the first part of the question, to find out the production in the first year means we have to find out the first term of the AP, that is A. So we found out the A value, the production in the first year, that is A value is equal to TV sets. Therefore, let us write down the production is 550 TV sets in the first year. Now the second part of the question is the production in the 10th year. So we have to find out the 10th term of an AP, that is A10 we have to find out. So let us find out by using this formula, the nth term formula, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So N value is equal to 10 there since it is the 10th year. Then A value we already know, that is 550, and D value is 25. So let us substitute and find out the 10th value. So production in the 10th year, that is A10 is equal to, what is the A value? It is 550 plus N is again 10 minus 1 into D is 25. Therefore 550 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 25. What is 9 into 25? We will get 550 plus 5 9s are 45, or 9 2s are 18, plus 4 is 22. 550 plus 225, if you add 5 plus 2 is 7, again 5 plus 2 is 7. Therefore A10, or the production in the 10th year, it is 775. Therefore we can write down, therefore the production in 10th year, it is 775. Now let us solve the third part of the question, which says the total production in the first 7 years. That means we have to find out the sum of the total production from the first year to the 7th year. Okay, the first term of the AP, or the production in the first year, we got it as 550. The second term will be 75. The third term they have given us, it is equal to 600. So 600 and so on, and we have to find out sum of the 7th year and so on. So this is the AP. Now we have to find out the sum 7th year. So let us write down the formula to find out the sum, which is given by Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Since they have asked us the sum for the first 7 years, therefore the n value will be equal to 7. We know the A value, the first term of the AP, that is 550, and D is equal to 25. So let us substitute and find the result. So the sum of the first 7 years will be 7 divided by 2 into 2 into A is 550 plus n values again 7 minus 1 into D is 25. Therefore 7 divided by 2. So what is 2 into 250? 2 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10, carry 1, again 5 2s are 10, 11, plus this will be 6 into 25, or 7 divided by 2. What is 6 into 25? We can write 1100 plus 5 6 are 30, 6 2s are 12, plus 3 is 15, that is 150. Now adding these two terms, you will get 7 divided by 2 into, if we add these two terms, it will be 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1. Now let us cancel out the terms. 2 1 times, 2 6 times, 2 2s are 4, and 2 5s are 10. So again 625 into 7 we have to find out. So 625 into 7 will be 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, plus 3 is 17, carry 1, 7 6s are 42, 43. So it is 4375. Thus the total production of the TV sets in the first 7 years is 4375. So therefore let us write down the total production in first 7 years is 4000 375. So this is the result. If you have any doubts, please comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving the questions from the exercise 1.3, chapter number 1, arithmetic progressions. So till then, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.